I know many of you are not confident about JEE Mains second attempt and you must have filled the forms for the backup exam like VIT-EEE BITSAT. So if we talk about VIT-EEE exam, only 30 days are left for this exam. Now the question comes that is it still possible to crack VIT-EEE 2026 because only 30 days are left? So the answer is simply yes. Only you need to complete these all things, which is first you need to focus on the aptitude and English section because this section is different from JEE. So you need to practice all the type of questions which can come under this section. Second thing is you need to improve your speed because the pattern of JEE Mains and VIT-EEE exam is entirely different. In VIT-EEE exam, you need to attempt 125 questions in 150 minutes. Whereas in JEE Mains, you need to attempt 75 questions in 180 minutes. So here, time also decreases and number of questions also increases. So double challenge is there. So you need to work on your speed and try to boost it as much as possible. Third thing is you need to properly revise all the syllabus of your physics, chemistry and maths with enough questions practice. Because if you need to improve your speed, then you must practice more number of questions. Fourth thing is you need to attempt proper relevant VIT-EEE mock tests so that you can judge your speed, you can judge your accuracy and can understand where you are going wrong. Now one more thing which you need to keep in your mind is that go through the VIT-EEE syllabus carefully. Because the syllabus of VIT-EEE is different from JEE Mains. Especially if we talk about physics, most of the syllabus is from your class 12th. Now, only unit 1 is from class 11th, rest all the 6 units are from your class 12th. So if we talk about like how in the each subject, how many units are there? So for physics, 7 units are there. For chemistry, 7 units are there. For math, 10 units are there. For aptitude and English, some specific topics are mentioned in the official brochure so that you can check. So you need to complete all the 24 units and the topics which are given under aptitude and English. Now the major challenge which aspirants faces is that how to get the best resources which is dedicated only for VIT-EEE. Because if you do the extra portion like which comes under JEE Mains but not being asked in VIT-EEE, then you are simply wasting your time. So you need to focus only on the syllabus which is asked in VIT-EEE. So therefore, understanding the problem of students, we have launched the VIT-EEE Crash Course Batch 3, which is the most relevant course for your VIT-EEE 2026 exam. This course is valid till your VIT-EEE 2026 exam and all the subjects have been covered. Mode of teaching has been kept English so that there is no language barrier for any kind of students. Also, the complete course will be available instantly once you enroll in the course. Now, if we talk about the components which you get under this course, so first component is pre-recorded lectures, where the average duration of each lecture is around 1 hour. So you can easily complete all the lectures before your VIT-EEE exam. And again, mode of teaching has been kept English. So in this, 3 parts are there. First is your PCM video lectures. So total number of sessions is around 90 plus and average duration is around 1 hour. So you can calculate that. And lectures have been divided according to the units which are given in VIT-EEE official syllabus. So I have already explained before that total 24 units are there. So particularly this 24 units have been focused and your entire VIT-EEE syllabus has covered under this video lectures. Second thing which you get under the pre-recorded lecture is aptitude and English lecture. So total 4 sessions are there where all the topics which have been given in your VIT-EEE brochure have been covered under these lectures. Third thing is short trick sessions are also there. So total number of sessions are 8 where exclusive short tricks have been taught for the PCM, aptitude and English. So these are the game changer sessions because for VIT-EEE what matters is your speed and accuracy. So for that you need to know such kind of special short tricks which can help you to solve the questions in instant manner. So you will get access to all these lectures once you enroll in the course. Also, we are providing a schedule for reference. You can find the complete PDF in the description. So this schedule has been prepared in such a manner that date wise you can complete this units so that entire syllabus can be covered before your VIT-EEE exam. For example, like if you start from tomorrow, that you need to start because not much time is left for your VIT-EEE exam. So if you start tomorrow, then you need to focus on unit 1.1 mechanics part 1. Then you can complete this chemistry section and this math section. Then you can practice the problem sheets which are provided under this course. So the second component which you get in the course is the exclusive question bank. Around 1000 questions with detailed solutions are there, and believe me, these are the most relevant questions for your VIT EEE exam, because in the past also many students have enrolled in our course and have cracked VIT EEE exam. So we have taken feedback from them that what type of questions were asked in your VIT EEE exam, and based on that feedback we have prepared these questions, so they are most relevant for your VIT EEE exam. And based on the latest syllabus which is given in your VIT EEE brochure, based on that this question bank has been prepared, hand-picked questions based on the students' responses, which I have already told you. So the other component which you get in this course are the mock tests. So proper computer based mock test based on the latest syllabus and pattern are being provided under this course. So total there will be 10 full length mock tests, and detailed solutions will be available on our dashboard. You can attempt them whenever you want, before your VIT EEE exam. Now the next component is short notes. So all the important formulas and concepts have been covered in crisp and concise manner in this short notes. Like point to point things have been given, all the important formulas, concepts are there. So before giving mock test, you can simply revise all the important formulas of a chapter through this short notes. And based on the latest syllabus, these have been prepared and they are highly useful for the last time revision. Now these all components are available under our VIT EEE crash course. Now you must be thinking that so much quality material has been provided, so the price of the course must be high. So the actual price of the course is 5499, but we are providing a special discount offer of 2000 rupees off, which is valid only for today. So if you apply the coupon code, the course price becomes 3499. So enroll in the course before this offer ends. If we talk about the procedure for how to enroll in the course, so simply visit our website www.10qchallenge.in and register yourself and create credentials like your email ID and the password. After this, you will receive a verification mail ID on your registered email ID, either in your inbox or the spam folder. Now come back to the website and under the courses, click on VIT EEE and you can choose the required course, which is the crash course. Click on buy now and click on the cart icon. Then you need to apply the special discount coupon code, which I have already talked in the previous slide. So you need to apply VIT Ranker coupon code, using which you will get instant 2000 rupees off. And now, then after this, click on the checkout and you can complete the payment. If you still have any course related query or you are facing any issue during the payment, you can simply call our team at this number. Now we are providing you the best resources for VIT EEE. Now it's your turn to put your 100% and crack the VIT EEE exam. So let's target Vellore Campus Category 1 or Category 2 CSE for a great ROI. And only 30 days are left, so try to put your 100% and complete the syllabus well before time, so that time is left for the revision and the mock test. Hopefully this video will be beneficial for your VIT EEE preparation. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.